Do you want to know the secret to turning a few $100s a month into $1 million nest egg? It's not some crazy investment scheme or multi-level marketing program. It's a powerful force called compound interest. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works in the stock market. I've been investing and trading stocks for over 3 decades. In that time, I've helped hundreds of people start and grow their investment portfolios. I've seen firsthand the incredible wealth-building potential of compound interest, and I'm excited to show you how it works today. This is Dan, and this is Dave. Two ordinary guys with two very different investment strategies. Dan starts early, investing just $200 a month at age 22. He keeps this up for only 9 years, then stops, having invested a total of $21,600. Dave, on the other hand, waits until he's 30 to start investing. He religiously puts in $200 every month for 37 years until he retires at 67. His total investment, $88,800. Now, fast forward to age 67. Incredibly, Dan's nest egg has grown to a staggering $2.1 million, while Dave's sits at $1.2 million. How did Dan end up with almost $1 million more than Dave despite investing so much less? The answer lies in the power of compound interest. While Dave was just getting started, Dan's money had already been growing and multiplying for years, even after he stopped investing. That's because compound interest works like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you start at 18, investing just $100 a month could turn into $3 million by retirement. Even if you start at 35, you could still end up with $800,000. So, what is compound interest? It's your key to turning small, consistent investments into massive wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And even if you can only afford a small amount each month, it can still make a huge difference in the long run. Ready to see the power of compound interest for yourself? After this video, head over to Google and search for compound interest calculator. Plug in your age and the amount you can afford to invest each month. The results may just blow your mind. And if you want to know the specific investments that can maximize your compound interest potential, hit that subscribe button. In some of my videos, I reveal the exact strategies I've used to help people build life-changing wealth in the stock market. But whatever you do, be sure to start your investing journey today. Your future self will thank you. Peace and profits to you all.